Well, g'day guys, it's Glenn from Aegir Photography, and it's been a bloody long time since I've done any sort of vlog for, well, pretty obvious reasons I think. Since COVID 2020 it's been quite difficult to put out any sort of regular content, at least for me. I did stop vlogging for a while though, and that was simply because I felt it was starting to encroach on my photography, for want of a better term. I just started finding it quite distracting when I was out for a sunrise shoot and I was worried about video and setup and lights and all that sort of stuff. So I just sort of gave it up for a while. Concentrated on my still photography, which I still love doing. Still like producing, well, hopefully quality images. But here we are in 2021 and Sydney is back in lockdown, so obviously that's curtailed any weekend sunrise shooting activities and opportunities for more vlogs. So we're in about week 7 of lockdown in Sydney and there's really no end in sight, so certainly won't be any vlogs appearing on my channel anytime soon. But look, once we're on the other side of this, I do intend to get back into vlogging, albeit in a slightly different format. I plan on doing more video and perhaps doing some voiceovers in post. That way you don't have to stare at my ugly mug and you can just hear my dulcet tones as I describe what I'm shooting. So that is my intent in the future. So I still will be around and eventually I still will be producing more vlogs. In the interim, I might do some time-lapse stuff just for shits and giggles to pass the time while I'm sitting at home doing very little. Anyway, so I'll leave it there. This is short and sweet, just to let you know, still alive, still breathing, still vertical, and still shooting when I can. And if you're curious as to what I'm shooting, then I'll put some links down below for my Instagram, and I've now joined Twitter, the festering cesspit that is Twitter, and just sharing some images there as well. But I do share regularly on Instagram, so if you're not following me there and you want to see some of my work, then hit the link down below and please follow, as always. So that's it guys. In the interim, wishing you all safety, health, and for the love of Christ, please get vaccinated if you're out there. I've already had both my AstraZeneca jabs and it's our only pathway out of this shit fight. So please get vaccinated, please stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.